Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Milky Moth and today we're looking at this, the DJI OSMO Mobile 3. Let's get into it. So this gimbal here is really cool. I've been using it for about a week now and I just think it's really awesome. There's lots of really cool features. So for example, I click this back button here to focus it on something. So if I want to focus it, I'll click it like this. And then I can move my hand freely like this and it will keep the phone steady and will reduce any shake, as you saw with the footage before of me like running and whatnot. No shake whatsoever. We have this little joystick here, which allows me to actually pan and tilt the phone like this, meaning that you get some really nice looking shots. It also comes with this little tripod here, which allows me to just put it on the bottom of the little screw, set the phone down, and then do my own thing like that. It has a tracking feature, which is really cool, where I can select my face and then run around and track myself, which is really cool, which I'll show you in just a second. So as you can see here, we're doing the tracking feature right now. So if I get a box drawn around me in the app like this, then wherever I move, I'll be followed due to that tracking feature. So I can duck down, it'll follow me down, stand up, jump, it'll follow me up and down and follow me around everywhere, which is hands-free recording of yourself. No need for a cameraman, unless you want them to obviously draw the box around you. Yeah. Other features, if I double click the back here, it'll refocus and center everything. So if the gimbal's all messed up like this, double click the trigger, bam, back to how we want it. Also, I can make it rotate by clicking this button here twice. So click it twice, rotate. The red button on the back here allows me to start recording just by the click of the button, and the LED lights here will inform me of how much charge I have left, which is a fair bit. On the side here, I have a zoom feature, so I can zoom the lens in and out to get the camera zoomed, although this is a little bit of a digital zoom. There's also a USB port underneath this, which you can plug into to charge your phone more. So it's essentially a battery as well to get up to 15 hours of extra charge, which is really cool. All in all, I think that this device is really fantastic and you should buy it. For the price of what it was, $150, it's amazing. It's going to make the future videos that I make here really good. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, make sure you press that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to be notified of any future videos that come out. Check out some of our other videos on the channel here, and see you guys next time. Bye.